The new Ricoh ProTF6251 Flatbed solution brings additional features, capabilities and flexibility into the sign and graphics market. The most exciting addition is a roll option, which allows printing not only on rigid media, but also on flexible roll-fed media. The main benefit for print service providers is the ability to offer a wide range of applications, flexible or rigid, using a single and compact 2.5 by 1.3 meter table or up to 2.2 meters wide on the roll-fed system, maintaining high productivity at the same time. 12 Ricoh Gen 5 piezo printheads in a staggered formation enables the new ProTF6251 solution to achieve up to 116 square meters per hour on rigid media, up to 11 centimeters thick, and 67 square meters per hour using flexible roll-fed media, which includes self-adhesive vinyls, banners, wallpapers, textiles, and so much more. This device is available with 2 ink configurations, CMYK, white, clear and primer, or the option of CMYK and double white. In addition, 2 types of Ricoh's own UV ink formula will be available with the new ProTF6251. Extremely versatile ink with high adhesion, or a graphic ink with a wider color gamut. The new device comes bundled with a color gate RIP in order to offer a common color-managed printing workflow to our clients. To sum it up, the Ricoh ProTF6251 is a highly flexible print production device for roll-fed media as well as rigid media, so offers versatility as well as extraordinary print quality.